Today we will get rid of background noise in the recording with Audacity. Take a look at your dirty audio. Select a short sample containing only background noise. Click Affect the Noise Reduction. Click Get Noise Profile to analyze the audio we just selected. We are returned to Audacity and now we need to select all the audio we wish to clean. Click Affect the Noise Reduction again. This time Preview and OK are available. Noise reduction decreases the audio by the specified amount when found. Sensitivity determines the boundaries for what will be selected. A good number is between 3, which may remove too little, and 9, which may remove too much. Frequency smoothing spreads noise reduction to neighboring frequency bands. 3 is good. Lower is better for music, higher is better for spoken word. Finally, reduce removes the noise in the profile, while residue leaves only the noise in the profile. Use preview until you're happy with the results and click OK. You may be left with a few artifacts. These most likely could have been removed by fine-tuning in the Step 2 settings. Manually trim these out if you desire. Now we can compare our original audio,
This is a test.
to our cleaned up audio.
This is a test.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and apply your newfound knowledge.